so we'll clean this up shortly. But now that the lashes... Hey everybody, it's Starlet Shay. So if you want to see how I got this look right over here, keep watching and we're gonna get right into this video. So okay, the mink lash look, everybody loves it. Who wouldn't want to look like you got individuals but you really only paid $15 for them, okay, and not the whole $150 or the $350? So lashes are a good alternative to individual lashes. It's less hair loss, eyelash hair loss. It shouldn't irritate your eyes, and it's cheaper. So overall, lashes are a good thing to have on hand if you're looking for something quick and that will last you throughout. Our lashes are sponsored by GSO, Girls Star Over, where we empower women to live new lives by owning every room they walk into. So not only do we specialize in lashes, but lashes that are natural, lashes that you can wear with glasses, lashes that won't touch your eyebrows. So if you have to go to a business meeting or run to the gym, they will fit for you. So let's go ahead and get started with these lashes. Okay guys, so the very first thing, I am starting off with clean lashes. So my lashes are not dirty. If you have previous glue or any type of residue, I would definitely recommend cleaning your lashes first, or you know, if you just wore makeup yesterday, maybe taking a break, but just make sure they're clean. One way to clean them is through coconut oil or olive oil. All right, so I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Mega Lash Mascara and I'm just going to put it on my eyelashes. So this is going to bring out my eyelashes a little more so that when I am able to actually place the lash on there, it has somewhere to hold versus just placing them on your lashes without mascara. That does make it harder. All right, so if you take a look at my lash, you can see here that I have lash that goes right here, but when I measure my actual lashes in the package, I'm going to use my lashes from here to here. Now that my lashes have the mascara, I just want you guys to kind of take a look and see. So you see here, I do have lashes that go from here, but from here to here is where I'm going to measure my lashes and where I'm going to cut them so that I can put them on my lash. You don't want them to be too big, because what happens if they're too big, they hang off here and then they'll hang off here too. And we're trying to get a look that is like natural lashes. Alright, so now let's unbox our lashes. Look at these lashes. Guys, this looks so good. Look at this. Look, I love it. This video is sponsored by GSO, empowering women to own every room they walk into through high quality beauty products. Guys, if you know how individuals look, this is giving very much individual. It's fluffy and it won't touch your lashes, but you see it gradually transform from small to front. And our lash band is also not super thick, which won't create an issue when putting the glue on the lashes. I love these lashes. If you are interested, go ahead and click in the description box below. And when we launch August the 15th, you will be first to know with the exclusive details. Okay, so now that we have our lash, the very first thing I do before putting any glue or anything down, I do take it and measure it. So you're going to want to do this after your mascara dries. You definitely don't want to do it when your mascara is wet. That creates an issue. But if you take it and you kind of just see, like, okay, this is super long. So you cut where you think would be best. So I will give you guys my cutting tip. So when I cut, I usually don't cut the front. I usually cut here, like at the end, and there's usually in most lashes, there's some type of way to determine like the last band or something, or the last place the lashes were wefted. And that's usually the last thing that I cut. And it's usually just enough. I'm gonna take these scissors and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut literally that part. All right. And so I'm gonna pull the hair like so. So for me, this is still a little long. So I'm gonna cut it a little more. Just a little more. We don't want it to be too short, but we also do not want it to be super long. All right, so this is where the lash is. So now if I try to put it on, it's gonna fit all the way. It's not gonna like be hanging off my eye, okay? Y'all, I had to cut my nails because it was just not working. Okay, so this is how we get it as close to the lash as possible. So we have to really be able to get to the lash, the root of the lash line. All right, so this should be appropriate for this situation. All right, so here's the lash. So we'll clean this up shortly. But now that the lash is as close to the line as possible, we can take the clamps again and kind of just like make sure everything is good. Okay. All right. If you get lash glue on your eyes, it's okay. We're just going to take a napkin and we're just going to like literally wipe this off. All right, and so this is the final look for this lash on this, and we're gonna go ahead and do this eye as well. All right, so you're gonna grab it with your fingers. You see your lash line, like at the top, and you're gonna do it as close to that as possible. All right, so just line it up as closely as possible, like literally. All right, so I'm going to take our lash now and we're going to hold the front and the side. So there are, if you like the tweezers, you could use the tweezers. For me with my long nails, I was having a hard time, so I had to cut them real quick for the video. All right, so now we're gonna take our tweezers. And we're going to just press them. Okay, girls, so let me know what it's giving. It's really giving lash extensions to me, y'all. It's giving. I look like I got my lashes done for the one something though, but I didn't. It's just the lashes, y'all. I love it. So let me know what you guys think. Let me guys know what you think about the lashes. And I want to show you one more thing. All right, so our very first pair is from Amazon. And these are some natural clear looking lashes. And we're just gonna go ahead and put them on. And guys, literally, I have on the glasses. And if I turn my head to the side, you can literally see like the lashes with the glasses, and you can see how they're fitting. So they're not tapping the glasses. Even if I do it like this, my eyes don't suffer. Guys, you literally can wear these lashes with your glasses, okay? It is. All right, we have a second pair, which is also from Amazon, but it is a little more circular. It is a smaller pair of glasses, so let's see how these go. Okay. Oh, these fit too. Okay, y'all, I'm excited to y'all because I haven't tried these lashes yet. I'm gonna be packaging everything soon for the launch. So I haven't actually tried these with these glasses yet, and they actually work. So you literally can have this look, this natural looking lash look, looking like you had lash extensions, girl, be looking good out here with your glasses. Okay, you don't gotta suffer to be cute, period. And it's giving no irritation. Make sure you get an eyelash glue that really works for you. I use Duo, but I do recommend using Duo Quick Set, not the regular, just black glue. But there are plenty of other brands if that doesn't work for you. So I hope this helps. This is really great if you have sensitive eyes, like it's not suffering. I can still see light. I can still see you. And that's why GSO lashes are so great, because we are truly specializing in lashes that are not super long. So you should still be able to do your work. You should still be able to read. You should still be able to to look at your phone and do your day-to-day activities, as well as go out and have a good time. So I pray that this video blessed you. Jesus Christ is Lord. If you like the video, once again, share with your friends, comment below, share it on Facebook, Instagram, wherever you want to share it, girl. But yes, bye y'all. Y'all have a good day.